Hello students, let's we start. What is the list element in HTML? First of all, we draw the HTML block, that is the HTML open and HTML close. Within the HTML there is a head section, head tag open and head tag close. Within the head tag there is a title tag open. Give the title, that is the list element in HTML, title tag close. Okay, after head there is open the body tag and body tag close. This is the block of your HTML skeleton. Now we start the OL. OL stands for ordered list. OL tag open and close. Within the OL tag there is LI tag. LI stands for list atom. You can apply the multiple list atom in a single OL tag. Write down the atom name, that is I enter the subject name, that is English. Then second list atom mathematics. Third biology. I enter here the list atom LI. And last one is the Marathi. Okay, this is the list OL. Save this file. Select the folder. First of all, select the drive, then select the folder. Give the name, that is list element. Elements.html. .html is important extension for creating web page. Save this file and open the folder and select the file. Open with right click and open with a Google Chrome. Okay, it display the output, that is list 1 2 3 4 by numbering. Okay, again we go to the our coding, that is we add here the h1 tag, heading tag 1, ordered list. OL stands for ordered list. H1 tag close. Okay, again save and check the output. Okay, here the attributes of OL tag. The first attribute is a type. Here is by default 1 2 3 numbered. I want to change this number by Roman I. Save this file and check the output, that is Roman 1 2 3 4. After that we check the Roman small I. Save this file and check the output. So Roman 1 2 3 4 small Roman I. Again capital A. Check the output, capital A B C D. That is we can change the type of list numbering. Okay, small A B C D. This is the type attribute. Second attribute is a start attribute, that is the starting number for the listing. If we apply the start is equal to 5, it will start with the letter E. E is a fifth number. I change here the Roman I and check the output, that is the Roman 5 is a starting list number. And the third attribute is a reversed, REVERSED. Reversed, that is it display in a descending order, that is the highest number at the top. After that decrease the number, serial number for the list. Okay, this is the important attribute for HTML5. This is all about the OL tag, ordered list. Now I go to the second type of list element, that is unordered list. Unordered list can be defined with UL tag, UL tag open and UL tag close. All listing elements are the pair tag, so each and every tag require the closing tag. In unordered list there is also li list atom. Define the multiple list atom and give the name. I enter here simple computer technology and first list atom is a computer network, that is subject related to computer technology, computer networking. Second one is web designing and third one is programming. Okay, these are the list element for the unordered list. Save this file, go to the browser and refresh button. Unordered list, it display the computer technology with the bulleted list. Here is display the bullets, not a number. You can change the type of that bullet by using type attribute. Type is equal to first value for the type attribute is square. Type the spelling carefully, square. It display the bullets in a square. Now I change the type, that is disk. Save and check output, that is the disk. And the last attribute, last value for type attribute is a circle, that is this is circle. Okay, these are the two types are covered here, ordered list and unordered list. Now third type of list, that is definition list. Definition list, third type of a list, that is the definition list. It require the three tags. First one is the DL. DL stands for definition list. Next one, DT is the defined term. Okay, defined term. All these tags are the pair tags, so it requires the closing tag. I repeat again and again, it requires the closing tag properly. And second one is the DD. DD stands for defined definition. First of all, you require to define term. Here I defining the term, that is computer programming languages. And the definition for the programming language. Okay, change this term with website. Okay, term is a website, and the definition for the website is collection of web pages which are interlinked with each other. The collection of web pages which are interlinked with each other. Save this file, go to the browser and click on refresh button. It displays the website is a definition term and below it DD. Okay, DT and DD. Defined term and the defined definition. Here I simple copy and paste the two terms. The second term is a web page. Second term is a web page, and the definition is write down within the DD tag. Save this file and check the output. There are two defined terms. The first one is a website and second one is a web page. See the difference in ordered list, unordered list and the definition list. Now here is a closing. There are two terms in a single definition list. Here the unordered list, there is I explained the type attribute, but by using the CSS, okay, by using the CSS you can apply the style attribute to the UL tag. Style is equal to double quote open list dot style, dash style and dash type colon circle. Okay, style is the attribute and list dash style dash type is a property for the style attribute. See the output. Okay, you can change the type with a circle, with a square or disk, but by using the CSS, it is the main difference. That is, you can select the style attribute, that is CSS, cascading style sheet. Here I apply the CSS to the unordered list. These are the three types of ordered list: unordered list and definition list for the list element in HTML5. Okay, and the last type, that is nested list. Nested list, that is what you can add the multiple list within other list. Okay, here In unordered list, I define the definition list. Okay, the UL, within the UL tag, I define here the one DL tag. Okay, save and check. Here is the second web designing. Within the web designing, we apply the definition list. That is the nested list. Nesting, that is depending on the previous. Here this example, the definition is list is nested on unordered list. Okay, that is within unordered list. You must open UL tag at the top. Within the UL tag, you define the DL tag. You must close the DL tag. Okay, here is UL tag open and close. The second one is a DL tag. Here is a separate DL tag. Make a proper formatting for avoiding the errors. You can easily find out the missing closing tag. Okay, so make a proper formatting using the tab key. OL, give single tab. Here is opening and closing. It complete the OL tag. Save and check the output. Here is the output for ordered list, unordered list, and the definition list. Okay, and here is a nested list. I hope you understand all the list elements in this video. If any query, then